Hello, 你好. Welcome to lesson 12. In this video, I will explain two nasal finals, an and ang. For the first one, we will pronounce it similar like we pronounced I and ao in last video. So here you first pronounce ah. After that, bring the tip of your tongue a little bit up until the upper gum. Say an. So at this time, bring the airflow out of your nose. Say an. And the pronunciation is a little bit similar like English word and. And next one is ang. So again, you first pronounce ah, then let the air flow through your nose. Say ang, ang. You feel the air flow through your nose very strongly. The pronounce is a little bit similar to auntie, but you have stronger airflow through your nose. Say ang. These two finals, an and ang, can be combined with bo, po, mo, fo, de, te, ne, le, ge, ke, he. Here we do a little bit practice. Combine bo, an, ban, 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 ban. Combine bo with ang, bo, ang, bang, 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 bang. So we try de, an, dan, 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 dan. De, ang, dang, 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 dang. Try ge, an, gan, 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 gan. Try ge and ang, ang, gang, 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 gang. Alright, so please you practice at home for all of these pronunciation. Here I will pick up several important characters or words for you to learn. The first one is bo, ang, bang. Here it means help. Bo, ang, bang. So when you want to ask for help or you want to help somebody, they say 帮助. The next one, mo, an, man, means slow. You walk slow, you talk slow, man. In this slide, I explain an important character or word. It's fu, an, fan, means food, meal, rice, or cooked rice. So in Chinese, if you say fan, it can be two possibilities. So rice or full meal include dishes. You should understand it according to the situation. Next one, fu, ang, fang, means house, a room. For big house, it's 房子. For room or apartment room, we say 房间. Both of them use this character 房. So the next one is 呢 an, nan, means a man, a male. This is a two-part. You will see the first part is something we are familiar with, is the 田字格, 田 shape. I explained in the previous video, it means field, farmland. And the second part means power. Power in the field means a man. 男. This one is relatively simple. I will show you how you are going to write it. We start from the top part first. First stroke, second one, third, fourth, and fifth. So this is the tian. And the bottom one means power, li. Li. So it's two stroke. So previously we learned 女 means woman or female. Here we learned 男 means man, male. These two characters are usually on the door of the restroom. So please remember, these two characters are very important for you if you are going to travel in China. Next one is the color. Le, an, lan means blue. So far we have learned green color, lü, white color, bai. So this is the third one we learned, lan, as blue. The last one is和ang, kan, means look, watch, or read. So in Chinese language, whatever you use your eyes to look at, we use kan. It can be read a book, look at something or someone, watch TV, watch movie. So this character works for all of these situations. Okay, this is all the content for this video. Thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe my channel or share with your friend. If you have suggestions or comments, please leave it down below. Bye.